Look at this thing. It's beautiful.
Cuidado, okay?
This is my brand new ZX4R. And of course, when you buy a new bike, you want to hear it. So I'm going to be installing this little guy right here. And I'm very excited because this thing already sounds really nice. It has such a nice tone and it's stock. So we're going to be taking this one off. Again, this is not an install video, but this is going to be kind of like a before and after video. So I'll show you guys the before, the after, and then the with baffle and without baffle. 12 mil, nothing new. Pretty much the same as the Ninja 400. Alrighty. Wiggle wiggle, stock exhaust off. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys can see that. I can't really see what I'm showing on the screen, but this thing is very nice. So this is obviously going to be a replica AKROPRAVIC. I don't know how to say it. But it's obviously going to be a rep because I don't have that type of money. But it is my dream full exhaust. But for now, this will do the trick. Nobody wants to spend $800 to $1,000 on a slip-on, and even less, $2,000 on a full exhaust. So
Cuidado, okay?
oh yeah.
Hola,
¿Cómo le va?
bien, ¿y usted?
Bien, bien, bien rápido, pues somos misioneros de la Iglesia de Jesucristo. Y pues no sé si podemos hacer una oración con usted antes de que continúe su día.